So why we bought the Soham toys is mainly nowadays all the kids are busy with the mobile phones and their screen time is more, even with the online classes and everything. So we came up with a thought like, let's engage the kid in a more interactive way to learn. Okay, so there came the idea, and so we will start today with different types of items to engage kids. So presenting you the first item, a learning cushion. So this is a very catchy item where your kid can use this as a cushion while sleeping. This comes as an all-in-one where the numbers are there, alphabets, everything is there in this book like a kid's all-in-one. Months, shapes, colors, and this is very soft. While the kid is on the bed during the night time, we can engage the kid instead of seeing them or watching them rhymes or a mobile. Okay, so this is a wonderful item, learning cushion. Body parts, numbers, watch to teach them a time. So this is a learning cushion. Okay. Next comes a similar kind of all-in-one kind of a thing, which is a battery operated ebook. Okay, how is this functions? So we have to press the on button. Now the sound comes. Press the arrow icon over here. Now press it. G H I J K. Wonderful thing to introduce alphabets, and this is also all-in-one kind of a thing. Here we have a read button. A, B, C, D. Nice, na? E, yes. F. Stop. So we have many pages over here. Numbers, fruits, vehicles, and over the other side we have activity pages where we can engage the kid. And this is the relations. We have to switch on and we have to press the button to enable. And father, uncle, or driver, brother. A very good book, a battery operated ebook. So next is to trigger your kids' logical ability. Okay, so it comes with the beads, the fruits on the one side and dots on the other side, and we will be having the flash cards. Okay, with the fruits, flash cards. What we have to do? So banana, watermelon, watermelon. So what will the kid do now? So here is a banana and here is a watermelon. So what does the kid thinks now? So his logical ability increases. So we have to move this down to the other side and we have to bring this watermelon. Okay, the same kind, a banana, watermelon, watermelon. Okay, so this the kid thinks and he uses his neck, fingers. So the fine motor skills of the kids are also increased by using this wonderful engaging color dot matching toy from Soham. Okay, we have 18 cards. Each card is a back-to-back, one with the fruits and the other side with the dots. This triggers the kid's logical ability and increases his fine motor skills. The color dot matching game. Next comes owl stacking. This is also a wonderful engaging toy for kids. This comes with the 12 owls. Okay, these are 12 owls which are wooden with a chunky and colorful. what we can do with this owl stacking, how it can be useful to engage kids. So this is a constructional toy. So the kid uses this as a constructional toy where we can balance. So when he is balancing, his concentration improves. So we have 12 owls and where we can form these 12 formats. It's an open-ended toy. We can form n number of shapes with this owl stacking. We can engage the kid in the form of a train, stacking, numbers one side, vocabulary kind of word format, and what the size the numerical format. So we have 12 owls stacking one above the other in different formats. Okay, this is owl stacking. This triggers kids concentration, numbers we can teach, colors we can teach, shaping we can teach to engage kid in a multiple ways. Okay, this is owl stacking. Next comes a multifunctional Jenga. Okay, this is a very interactive toy for siblings. It's a kind of a sibling play, parent-kid interaction. Many things we can do with the multifunctional Jenga. Okay, so this comes with a 54 pieces where we can form a constructional Jenga. We have a Jenga stick and dice. We have to throw the dice and based on the color, we have to remove one small wooden block from there. And we can play this as a domino kind of a thing. This is a domino. Okay, how it comes. So here, okay. 1 second. Okay. These are a very thick wooden Jenga. See, this is a puzzle where the kid is engaged to form the puzzle. Very good for interactive toy. These are the dice with the colors. One is a bear. On the downside, we have a house with a duck. Bear, duck, and elephant. We can form 3 different types of puzzles with this multifunctional Jenga. A very interactive toy for your kid. So next comes how to trigger your kids' mathematical ability. Okay. This is Abacus. Okay. This comes with a colorful beads where we can introduce our kids a color recognition, and we can ask the kid to move the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can introduce counting, additions. So for example, we can ask the kid to count what is 2 plus 1. Okay, this is 2 and this is 1. So what is now this? 2 plus 1. So count 1, 2, 3. This is the way we can introduce additions to our kids. And what is subtractions? How to do subtractions? What is the total count? This is 5. To remove 5 minus 2. Okay, we are removing 2 beads from here. What is the count now? 3. Okay, this is a very good interactive toy where we can teach additions and subtractions to our kids. This is a colorful abacus, and we have to trigger the kids, to engage kid in a multiple ways. We have this is a knowledge classification box where this is a plain sheet. This comes with the multiple scales. Each scale has a n number of characters. This is for vegetables, apparel, like shorts, pants, everything. And this is for fruits, vehicles. So what we do with this? So here we will place, this is a knowledge classification box. Here we will place the scale. And what does the key needs to do? So this comes with a small square kind of objects. What is this? This is a cucumber. So now what the kid has to do? Okay. Kid identifies where the cucumber is. Here is the cucumber. So kid need to place it over the box. Okay. This is a wonderful engaging toy for kids. Knowledge classification box. This can be used in multiple ways. Where we can form a pattern. We can engage the kid to form a similar pattern. Okay. We can teach them what is the use. We can teach them a different kind of fruits. Many are there. This comes with a 8 cross 10, 80 different things we can introduce to kids with this knowledge classification box. There are multiple racks inside. So whenever the kid throws, it goes into a particular rack. Okay. Knowledge classification box. There are n number of ways and toys to introduce to kids. And we are working in a different format, like how we can engage kids in a multiple ways. And this is a fishing. Kids love this toy very much. This is a game where each fish has a magnet over it. There are n number of fishes. We can introduce colors to kids. We can ask the kid to catch the orange fish. Orange fish, where are you? Like the kind of a rhyme, and kid can hold it, a fish. A very fun kind of a toy. Kid can improve their fine motor skills with this fishing. Okay. I love all these toys and kids will love to play with these toys. What is this? This is a domino train. Okay, this is a battery operated domino train where the dominoes are automatically get arranged by this train. We have to stack the upper sheet with these dominoes. It comes with a different colors, red, yellow, green. A very fun toy to engage kids in their self-play, a domino train. This is a goalie roller where the kid, this is a very special kind of a toy. This is a constructional. Okay. The kid can remove the petals kind of things and can form their own playing time toy. Okay. This can be removable and we can teach different kinds of things with this single toy. Okay, so these are color recognition we can teach, and we can place it on a paper and we can trace it. Tracing and coloring can be done with these petals. Beautiful flowers can be formed. Okay, we can engage kids in a multiple ways. Let me get a goalie here. I'm arranging it now. There is a space and we can just arrange it. A very beautiful, engaging toy. A roll ball. We will place a ball over here and it automatically gets rolled. I will show you how to. I will get a goalie. Okay, these are goalies. Observe now. A kid will love, they will feel very happy. The goalie rolls now. We are placing a goalie here and we are rolling it. And goalie is rolling. This is a very fun toy. So this is a slate, a back-to-back slate. This is a magnetic over here. The whiteboard is a magnetic, and all these are a magnetic. All these are magnets over there, and we can stick and teach children. So this is a tangram. So tangram is a puzzle kind of a thing where it triggers the kids' brain to form different kinds of shapes. So for example, you can see here, it's a boat. Boat can be formed. All these are magnets. So we can stick the magnet tangrams over to the slate and we can engage kids in a multiple ways. This comes with a pen, a duster, and chalk piece. Back-to-back slate. Okay. And we have different educational boards to engage kids, to introduce kids learning in a fun way. So this is a car. So what all we can teach with this one particular thing? We can teach numericals. Okay. We can teach colors. We can teach a puzzle. Take the first number, place over there. Take the second number, place it immediately after 1, it comes 2, 3. Okay. And stacking can be done where the kid can improve the fine motor skills. This is a car puzzle. Puzzles are very much needed to improve the kids' brain power. So next comes tracing boards, where we introduce the kids' learning skills can be improved with these tracing boards. It's not like because of lighting, it is not clear. Okay. On the board, there are the letters engraved. These boards are with letters. And what we need to do, we can give the directions to the kid. Okay, we can mark with the arrow mark. We can mark with the sketch. This is not clear because of the cover over it. It is properly packed. So the kid can daily practice writing over these tracing boards. So what all comes in these tracing boards? Alphabets are there, numericals. This is a Hindi Varnamala and Aksharamala. Hindi Varnamala, Telugu is there. Back-to-back alphabets and numbers are there. These are the tracing boards to improve the kids' learning skills. And we can introduce like identify the letter. Okay, aha. Okay, we can ask the kid. Very good for introducing the characters to your kids. A wonderful, engaging product. Next comes a photosynthesis board. Okay, the role of how a plant grows. We can introduce this wonderful puzzle. So what is the role of a cloud over the plant growth? What is the role of a sun over the plant growth? What is the role of a soil? So how all the nutrients will be reached to the stems, different parts of the plant body through roots. Okay, a wonderful engaging puzzle, educational puzzle, the plant growth. We have a solar system also over here, the same puzzle board. Okay, next comes the transportation board. We can teach kids different types of, what are the modes of a transport we can teach, like airways, waterway, what are the number of wheels over the vehicles. This is also, it's a pegboard kind of a thing. It comes with a knob. This can be removable and the kid identifies the shape. The shape comes to the kid and kid has to identify the shape and he has to place over it. Okay, this improves the fine motor skills of the kid, and we can introduce transportation to the kids, vehicles, especially boys will love to play with this transportation puzzle. Next, in the same board, we have n number of educational boards. Okay, see here, this is a domestic animals and wild animals. Domestic and wild animals. We can teach different types of concepts using with these both boards. What we can do, we can place all the animals to the side and we can ask the kid to differentiate what are the domestic animals and what are the wild animals. So we can teach what are the sounds made by a tiger? How does a tiger, what is roars? A tiger roars, right? Lion roars. What does a cow gives to us? It gives us the milk. What is a baby of a cow called as? What are the? We can teach n number of concepts with these pegboards. What is the kind of food they eat? How does they sound? Educational boards. Okay. How does a cat sounds? How does a dog sounds? We can teach rhymes also to the kids, like all McDonald's had a form. We can introduce all the kinds of rhymes, animal rhymes to kids using these pegboards, and these are balanceable. For example, let me show you. This is a hen, right? The hen can be balanced. The dog, how this is balance. Dog can sit. Okay. While the kid balances it, it improves his concentration. Okay, we can pretend play. Like pretend play is nothing but kid will make an action how these dogs behave, how they sound, what are the babies of a dog called, are animals. Okay, wonderful educational boards. This triggers the kids' brain power, logical ability also, fine motor skills. Many educational boards are there, like transportation, wild animals, domestic animals, any. This is also a kind of a pegboard, a wild animal pegboard. These are very colorful. Giraffe, a very good quality. This can be balanced. One animal can be placed above the other. We can teach animal sounds. Where does a giraffe live? What does an elephant says? What are the characteristics of a giraffe? We can introduce many things, like a giraffe has a long neck. Okay. What is the characteristics of a giraffe? It has a long neck. Okay. What are the characteristics of a zebra? It has a white stripes, black and white stripes over the whole body. So different types of things we can explain and teach to kids in home, especially in the COVID time, where the kids are engaged completely in the online. So this is a fun time for kids to engage them. This is a rainbow chess. Okay, all these are colorful beads. This is a kind of a Candy Crush game. Okay, where we can move the beads. This can be used in multiple ways again. Color sorting game, color identification. This is above for 3+ years. It should be under parents' interaction. We have to play this with the kids. Color sorting we can do, counting we can teach to kids. This is a Candy Crush game, the Rainbow Chess. Most interactive fun time for the whole family. Whole family can be engaged and play and spend a fun time. Green we have, red we have, purple we have. We will be moving the beads to form a similar pattern. For example, now green is here. I will move it green. Okay. To form a, so once a green are formed, we can remove the green. Who will remove the highest number of beads will be the winner. This is a very interactive toy, a fun game. Rainbow chess. This is a rainbow wheel for the kids, a very young kids, to stimulate their eye muscles. This is a rollable. Once the cover is removed, it completely rolls and engage and enhances the kids' eye power. This is a rainbow wheel, very toddler toy. This is a toddler toy. These are small, cute rings. Okay. Many characters are there in these rings. For example, we can teach the kids finger family, cow finger, where are you? Like rhymes we can teach, the characters we can teach. This is embellishments we can say, especially for baby girls. All the rings are very good in quality, colorful rings. Around 36 are there here. There is a frog, unicorn, many are there. A ring set. This is a ear muff. Okay, whenever the kid travels, especially in the bikes, to avoid sound pollution or unwanted air, this can be placed like this, a unicorn ear muff, very soft in quality and very good quality ear muffs. Next is a watch. So how this watch can be used to kid, not only to teach time and time functionality. So different types of things can be taught with this wonderful product, a wooden toy. So these are removable. We can introduce shapes to kids, colors to kids. Before introducing a time, if there are 2 kids in a home or multiple kids in a home, we can introduce colors to one kid, numbers, 1 to 12 numbers. Okay, the shapes. We can form a shape like 2 triangles and 1 circle. We can place it on a board and we can ask the kid to imitate the same pattern. Okay, there the kid thinks and forms the same kind of a pattern. A very engaging toy in multiple ways. Color formation, shape sorting. We can introduce multiples like 5 multiples. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Like a 5 table can be covered over here. What are the 2 multiples? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What are the 3 multiples? 3, 6, 9, 12. What are the 4 multiples? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, like different things can be taught to kids with this beautiful wooden clock. To introduce a watch like hours, minutes. We can ask the kid to represent 4:30. So a small is a 4, minutes hand and hours hand. This is hours hand and this is a minutes hand. Now the kid will represent it as a 4:30. Okay, very useful. wooden clock, and very good in quality, a very colorful and catchy clock. This is a pounding toy, okay, for the kids to engage them and to improve the strength in their hand muscles, where the kid pounds it. Okay, this is a very one of the, we can say it as a fine motor skills we can improve, strength can be improved. It will love to hit it. They will see their eye hand coordination is improved with this pounding toy. Never ending play, because once it's hit down completely, we can move it down again and we can start hitting. Pounding toy, very colorful. We can introduce the colors. We can ask the kid to hit on a yellow. So when the kid will identify the yellow color and he will hit it immediately. Okay, yellow, orange, blue, green. Okay, a very useful toy for kids to improve the strength in their hand muscles, especially to introduce to improve their high hand coordination and the fine motor skills, color identification. Once these are removed, these can also be used in a different format like counting. We can introduce counting to kids. All these are removable. These are very colorful. We can introduce counting like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a pounding toy. What comes next? A very unique, engaging toy for your kids. This is a graffiti where many kids love to color, drawing, to introduce drawing skills. N number of shapes can be formed. Like this comes with a 52 pieces of wooden shapes, a graffiti board. These are the puzzles, okay, and we can color them. Trace it, place it on a paper, trace it, trace with a pencil and color. A graffiti board. These are grapes. So kid identifies what is the color of a grape. Purple. There is a sheet. These are the sketch pens which comes to color. All these shapes can be formed with this graffiti. Grapes. Grapes are purple in color. Okay. Observe here. There is a hen. Seahorse. Dragonfly. Cow. N number of things are there. This comes with a 52 pieces. This is a tray. The kid identifies the shape. We can remove this. This is removable. We can trace it on a paper. We can color it. A wonderful product. A graffiti play. Graffiti coloring board to engage kid in multiple ways. Tortoise, animal shapes, rockets. Animals are there. Aquatic animals are there. Lion. Many are there. A wonderful graffiti toy. This comes with a book. This comes with a few stickers. Place it on a paper, trace it, color it. We can introduce jam sessions to our kids, like what is the mode of a transportation of a train, different qualities or characteristics of a train. We can ask the kid to tell about 10 points about a train, like multiple ways we can engage kids. It is very important to engage kids in multiple, at least for an hour. We should ask the kid to play with the toys so that they will be away from the systems and their brain power increases. So today's kids are our future citizens. So we should make sure we should not make them struggle in their education by addicting to phones, mobiles especially. Even by playing with the toys in an interactive way, like with the siblings, they play with the toys. There is a kind of interaction we can build in the kids, like sharing kind of a thing. These are beautiful geometrical shapes we can introduce to kids. These are again puzzle kind of things to introduce kids different shapes. Let me open this. There are 3 boards inside this. The different shapes. Introduce shapes to your kids. We can introduce fractions. Okay, fractions can be taught with this pegboard. Like stacking we can use. And this is an abacus again. This comes with the multiple things over there. This is a slate, a back-to-back slate again. Front the magnet and back is a blackboard. This comes with a slate, a pen, a duster. This is a tangram. All these are magnetic, okay? These are magnetic. And we can stick the magnets over to the magnetic slate. And this is abacus. Introduce colors to your kids. The beads movements introduces a fine motor skills. Countings we can teach the children. Like 2 plus 1, we can again ask the kid to move the beads and introduce abacus kit. Additions and subtractions can be taught in a very interactive way to kids with this abacus. This is a tangram. Here are the magnetic tangrams, and we can form all these shapes over the magnetic slate. This is a magnetic slate and this is a magnet. Let me show you how to stick it. So this is A and I am sticking it here. A is stick. Now it is not falling. Okay. Back side is a magnet. Many products are there and all the products will be we will get the products where one product can be used in a multiple ways to engage kids. Every month the products will be changing. This is a peg board, Hindi peg board. Okay. And this is a very colorful and catchy ABC board with objects. We can introduce color sorting can be done. Sounds can be taught, like phonics can be easily taught to kids. A sounds, A. In the similar way, we can teach all the sounds to kid. This is a removable puzzle form. We can ask the kid touches the letter so that it is very easy for the kid to identify the letter. Okay, when he touches, he knows the exact shape what it is. So it triggers again the kids' brain power. They will easily identify the letters and they will place it over the board. A wonderful ABC board, objectized ABC. It comes with the different objects over the board. A for apple, B for ball. This is capital and this is a small. Capital and small ABC boards with objects. We can teach phonics to kids. Blending can be taught, like 3-letter words, 2-letter blendings. Many things can be taught with these boards, educational boards for kids. These are outline markers. to like different colors are there to make greeting cards, paper presentations, the outliner pens, very good in quality. It comes with a silver outline over the chart. Take a screenshot of the products you like, and you can contact me anytime over this number. This is my number. All the details will be shared. And we are available in Instagram, Facebook, YouTube as Soham Toys. So anytime you can contact me, and you can pick your kid's favorite toy. Okay. And this is the next comes a pizza burger set. This is a burger set. It comes with a n number of items we can see in KFC and McD. This is a burger, a drink. This is a fun kind of a pretend play for kids. Kids love to play with this, all these kids. An interactive play we can introduce. These are the unicorn sling bag. This is a backpack, unicorn backpack for kids. A very soft quality. And this is a sling bag. Okay, this can be used as a like this or like this. It's a sling bag, very good in quality. Unicorn sling bag and backpack. What is this? Next comes a very fun toy. Puppets, finger puppets. Okay. We can introduce rhymes. Puppy finger, where are you? Here am I, how do you do? So, the caterpillar, cheetah, dog, so duckling. This is a small bird or owl kind of a thing. This comes with a music. This is a musical finger puppet. Kids will love these finger puppets. Many different transportation toys. Transportational. These are pushback toys. And these are animals. We can introduce farm animals to kids. Very big in size. A kid can balance and pretend play with these beautiful farm animals. And these are also the transportation vehicles. Pushback vehicles. This is a battery operated car. Many varieties are there. What is the functionality? How does it work? It works with a battery, and all the gears will be moving when the toy is working. Now this is not with a battery. So this comes with a different lights and music. So this is a very good toy product for your kid. It comes with the lights and music. And all the gears will be moving so that the kid likes how the gears are moving, the gear functionality we can explain to kids. This is very fun. In this there are gear gun is there, gear car is there, gear bus. Many are there. Battery operated toys. This is again a musical camera with the different sounds. Animal sounds. Kids will love to play with this battery operated camera. Next comes water games. We will continuously pressing the button. So we have small circles over there. And when we are pressing, there are two small lines. We need to make sure by pressing these small circles are placed over to the stick. A fun toy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now when I am pressing it, a small squirrel comes out. 1, 2, 3. What is your name? 1, 2, 3. Hi. Hello. Very fun kind of a thing. I love to play with this. Even your kid will love to play with this squeezing squirrel. Next comes a dinosaur egg. Okay, this is a dino egg. How these can be used? This is an egg. Okay, this is an egg now. And I am doing this into a dinosaur now. This can be placed over to your hand, finger. A dinosaur egg. Small fun toy to your kid. Again, this goes to an egg shape. Squeezing squirrel and dinosaur egg. This is a unicorn sling bag. There is a sling over there inside for kids. Unicorn sling bag. This comes with a sling. Like this, we have to place it, and this can be used as a sling bag, unicorn sling bag. This is a 9-piece puzzle. Again, a puzzle where we can, each puzzle cube comes with 9 shapes. So we can form 6 puzzles with this. Okay. Aeroplane, car, bus, ambulance, cycle, or climb. And we can form a puzzle. 9-piece puzzle, and very challenging kind of a game for your kids to introduce. This is a 9-piece puzzle. These are the shapes, to introduce shapes to your kids. Again, these are very colorful, wooden, chunky animal characteristics of blocks. Each block we can teach the shape, size, which one is big, next medium size and small. Color patterns we can teach, shapes we can teach, sizes we can teach, animal characters we can teach with this wonderful product, colorful. Kids will love to see these colors. Very interactive toy and very good quality. This is a gear bus. How it looks. There is a ball, colorful ball over here. And when the car moves, batteries are not there here. If you want, I can show you by keeping on the batteries. Videos are there in all the in our Instagram account. You can go and watch over the Instagram account. It is SohamToys. A gear bus. Next, what is next? It's a shapes puzzle. We can teach where the kid forms different kinds of shapes with the wooden blocks. All these are in the wooden shape. Okay. Now these are different wooden shapes like semicircle, triangle is there, small white, black, all these are there. How to use this comes with the 60 cards. 60 cards are there. Now the kid will form this puzzle with these shapes. Okay, the shapes puzzle. One of the best toy to engage your kids, like we will give 3 cards a week. We can give 3 or 4 cards a week, and we can ask the kid. The vocabulary can be increased. Down comes with a word. This is a rocking horse. We can introduce a jam sessions to our kids to improve the English vocabulary. A butterfly, a very wonderful product. Many are there. Many products are there to introduce your kids in a multiple ways, in a fun way, and it is very essential to keep the kid engaged instead of a phone with these toys, so that what happens when the kid is continuously onto the phone? His brain doesn't work, only his eyes will be strained and his neck will be strained, like by continuously peeping into the screen. So in this technological world, let us introduce all these kind of interactive toys to kids. Okay. This is the same puzzle board. Just now I have shown you. This comes with the shapes where we can form different types of characters like caterpillar, owl, ladybird. N number of shapes can be done. All these are the shapes. Characters we can form with this replication. Replication is a very good quality to kids. To trigger their brain power. What is this? A timer. Okay. So a timer has n number of good things we can give to our kids this as a gift, so their time management increases. We can ask a kid like 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. We can ask a kid to give a puzzle and solve it in 3 minutes. So how to get the time? 3 minutes. This is a timer. Like above 8-year kids, to give a mathematical puzzle, we can ask them to solve a table, to write a table within 5 minutes. So this is to improve the kids' time management with this timer. It comes with 1, 3, and 5 minutes. And this can also be used for making like cooking time. Instead of saying watch whether we have started it in time or not, this can be used for kid play time, like kid need to continuously jog for 1 minute. Okay, for exercise we can give the kid this timer. These are the customized hair bands. This is a name Punarvi with a character, a customized hair band for girls. Hair bands. This comes with a name Punarvi. A very unique product, a customized hair band. This is a unicorn pouch. Pens rack. All the pens can be differently placed. Unicorn pouch, big pouch, good in quality. These are small stationary kind of things. This is cartoon Jenga. 54 blocks are there inside. Cartoon Jenga. Each Jenga has a word over there. colors, different colors are there in this Jenga. Observe here, it's a snail. A printed Jengas. To introduce colors, we can introduce like vocabulary. 54 different types of animals with spellings are there over this cartoon Jenga. This can be placed, this can be used as a building kind of a thing where kid balances it one over the other. Cartoon Jenga, balance, to improve the kids' fine motor skills. A building formation. Like dominoes, we can use this colorful cartoon Jenga. Crocodile, lizard, peacock, bird, kangaroo, ostrich, monkey, duck, giraffe, horse, hippo, bear, tortoise. Like this, many are there. Down green color is there. Blue, green, colorful cartoon Jenga. One of the most loving product for kids. This is a battery operated aeroplane. It comes with a light and music, a battery operated one again. Next comes a flashcards, ABC flashcards with a wooden. These are the flashcards. Alphabets, wooden alphabets, a colorful wooden alphabets again. R, V. So flashcards are very useful for the kids when they are in the initial stages of identification, identifying the alphabets. This is M for mango. Flashcards. This is a wraps the box. So there will be blocks coming like this. Block can be placed one over the other, and the blocks will come with the different characters on the sides, with the animal characters, with the shape puzzles. There will be a hole with identifying the shape, and the kid needs to place the blocks over the identifying the shape. Star, different shapes and different characters. So wrap the box. A wonderful product for the kids over 3 years to identify the shapes, colors, characters. Wrap the box. Wonderful gifting product also. These are the straws. Like kids won't love to drink the water very frequently. By giving these straws, we can introduce the kids a fun way of drinking water to keep them hydrated, especially in summers. A good product again. This comes with fruits and many characters are there. Straws, a big straws. These are beads. Okay, beads come with the holes, and we can teach fine motor skills like autism kids. We can improve their fine motor skills with this product, beads. And we can form patterns. We can teach odd, even numbers. Many things can be taught with these beads. I have a video on this, how to engage kids in n number of ways using these beads. Go through my channel, Instagram and YouTube, Facebook. You can find all the working videos over there. These are slab bands. Okay, superhero, unicorn. This is a slab band. Unicorn slab band. Just it wraps around your kid's hand. This can be given as a birthday return gifts. Very good in quality, the slab bands. is one single board which contains 7-in-1 multifunctional board. This is called as this. This all is about the fishing. It comes with the different fishes, can be placed with the magnet over there. The magnetic fishing game can be played. Here the beads will be coming with sticks and sticks of different sizes, alphabets, numericals, shapes, transportation. Inside there is a picture to represent also how it looks. So the kid identifies the wooden piece and he will places it over there. A multifunctional board, a wonderful gifting product for your kids. This comes with the beads and fishing also over here. These are small unicorn bowls. A very good in quality, microwave safe bowls. So the kid will now love to eat his favorite snacks over this unicorn bowls. 4 bowls are there inside. This is unicorn Jenga, a colorful unicorn Jenga with different colors. Watch. This is a shapes puzzle. To introduce shapes to your kids, this comes background with the rings. Patterns can be drawn and coloring can be drawn with these puzzles, a shapes puzzle. This is again a beautiful multiplication table. This comes with the beads inside, a board with beads. All these are beads, and this is a board. Stacking can be done. Board, how this is designed is. What is 6 4s are 24, back to back. 6 4s are 24. Okay. 5 7s are, this is 5 cross 7, so it is 35. Introduce multiplications with these colorful beads in the pegboard. Multiple, like we can teach odd even numbers. So 35 is an odd number. Identify odd and even numbers we can teach to kids. 9 6 are 54. So 54 is even or odd. We can ask the kid and we can engage the kid mathematically over here with these colorful beads. Mathematical multiplication board. N number of mathematical concepts can be taught to your kids with this board. A very useful product for kids. This is a solar system board with the names of the planet and how the solar system, what is the role of Earth, how it rotates around the sun and revolves around itself. All these concepts can be taught with the solar system board. This is a small zipper for your kid. This comes with the 2 sets of ABCs, the back-to-back cards to introduce a vocabulary and phonics to your kids, letter sounds. So here the car spelling is there, where the kid identifies using this alphabets and he will place the character over the sheet. A spelling word game. This comes with the 2 sets of alphabets, small ABCs. This is a xylophone, gear tracking car pad, an interactive play. This comes with the gears and xylophone on one side. The car can be placed over here and it continuously tracks down and it goes down. A tracking 3-in-1 gliding car board. Thank you all for this wonderful opportunity. I am introducing one last product. Many are there still. This is a beautiful large play mat, very large in size, and this is a foldable. If I open it, the entire room gets covered. A large play mat with the different animal characters and spellings over the mat. An educational play mat. This is very thick, so even the toddler can play around the mat. Introduce the characters, the animal characters to your kid, and you can contact me anytime over this number. My contact number, everything will be shared. All the prices will be shared. Whichever product is you are interested to buy, you can just share the screenshot. You can go through my channel and you can get in touch with me at any point of time. And one more thing, one last product I will introduce. This is a Playhouse tent, a large tent where kids can sit over here, they can study, they can play. Unicorn tent house. We have miniature kitchen set. Many are there. These are cushions. A watermelon cushion, kiwi, orange, very soft cushions. Kids can throw this, they can play, they can catch. Many things can be done with these cushions. This is a light ball. I will switch off the lights. This glows. This is a light ball. Thank you all for this wonderful opportunity. This is Monica signing off for the day. And any kind of doubts you have, you can just place a screenshot and I can explain you how one toy can be used in a multiple ways to engage your kids and to enhance their logical and interactive ability, to reduce their screen time. Thank you all once again. Monica signing off for the day. Thank you all. Thank you, Multi Arts, for giving me this wonderful platform to expose all the interactive toys to your community, to all your clients, and we will see more interactive toys coming soon. Thank you all. Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you, Multi Arts, once again. And we have birthday return gifts also, we can arrange. Thank you.